How's it going? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. We are inside a home that we've been taking you through the entire process of rehabbing. We are in Sunkissed Gardens, Anaheim, California, and we are just completing our third week, so I wanted to give you an update on what's going on. I never realized how much prep work there is and just everything these guys do, but you don't put a lot of thought into that if you don't do it every day, but there is a ton of prep. They finished putting all of the panel siding up, and so now what they're doing is we add texture. This is the gun that's used. It's a mixer. We mix some mud around in there, and it creates this mud that we put on the walls. You can see the texture right there. So it adds some texture to the walls. A lot of people like that. It gives it more of a homey feel. And it still keeps the home in a good budget where it's a win-win-win for everybody. We're gonna make some money. Our buyers are gonna get a good deal. Right here, he's prepping. He's prepping for the texture so that we don't get it up on this piece right here. And look at that bar. We're keeping that bar. I love the bar. Every time I'm on here, I tell you about it. And if you remember, we took this wall out. We took this wall out right here. They were separating the kitchen in here, and we opened it up. We're going to be putting an island right there. So let's go take a look at Romero. He's adding some texture over here in the bedroom. Where is he? There he is. So there you go. This is how he textures it. There, I just changed the view so you get a little bit of a better view. But he likes to put a medium texture. We could go heavy or light if we wanted. Medium's just right. A lot of people like that. So there you go. That's us texturing the walls. Here, more prepping. Look at all that. For all the paint, all the bags, all the door jambs, all of it. This takes you guys a lot of time, and you gotta be good. You gotta pay attention to the details. Right here, he's doing the caulking. I'm in his way here, but let's show these guys do some caulking here. So what he's looking for, he's just looking for all the areas, the gaps, holes, anywhere that needs to be caulked. Scraping the walls. And we've also, look at this, there's more prep over here. All right, just all the, you gotta pay attention to details to be good in rehabbing homes. You know, get several eyes on it. We always try to put multiple eyes, get multiple opinions. We're still figuring out what to do with this area. We have an idea, but we don't have it in stone yet. So when we get it in stone, we'll show you what we're gonna do. But thanks for watching this edition to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. If you have not seen the previous videos, check out the link in the description below. Also, if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button and ring that bell. We premiere new home tours every week, and we are going to be updating you on the entire process of the remodel of this home. See you next time.